If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! Welcome back YouTube! You know what it is. It's another batch of PSA. So, nag-iisip ako guys, magtra-travel vlog na yata ako eh. Anyways, thinking pa ako saan maganda pumunta. Lately kasi mga pinapanood ko puro travel vlog. Kaya gusto ko na rin gayahin. Total marami naman akong gusto nang mag-document ng memories guys. Tapos na akong mag-collect ng mga cards. For me gusto ko naman mag-document ng memories. Siyempre yung card nagtataas, pero yung memories priceless yan eh. Once na napuntahan mo na yan, wala ka nang ano yun. Anyways, this is one big 55 and it is 1, not 2, but 3 boxes of PSA return. Sobrang dami nito guys. So let's start here. Anyways, side. Look at this, ang dami. 1. Ito ba magtama? The first one, the Entei Japanese. Ito yung kadugtong niya. So, yung art nito sa parang heart gold. Yung nag-remake yung heart gold, guys. Angas, no? Next, Mew PSA 8. Nakikita ba? Japanese Summer Gate Campaign PSA 8. 9 pala. Tiara 2 PSA 7. The Birds PSA 9. 1999 movie Bandai Moltres and Ash Cardass Vending Machine PSA 6. Korean Nanay Mo PSA 9. Korean Eevee 9 again. This one is Moltres, Ho-Ho and Lugia. Next one is Japanese PSA 9. Another Korean card. Mew Error PSA 3. Suicune PSA. Oh my god, nag PSA 10 yun. Damn! Rayquaza PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 10. Another Pikachu PSA 10. Another Pikachu PSA 10. So view nyo to guys. Pikachu PSA 10 and Reshiram Charizard PSA 8. So that's the first box. Ligpit na natin to para sa next box naman tayo guys. Mababa to guys, marami-rami tayong get your popcorns now. It will be a long day. So, kung hindi nyo pa natatry magpa-grade guys, you can try it now. First box done. Next box. Nandito pala yung half ng Suicune. So, ayan. PSA 7. Raikou PSA 8. Then Ho-Ho PSA 6. Gyarados Reverse Phantom, PSA 3. Gyarados again, PSA 8. Meowth, PSA 9. Dark Charizard, PSA 1. Charizard, PSA 10. PSA 9 Pikachu. Mega Charizard promo, PSA 9. Meowth, Mewtwo, PSA 8. Mega Charizard, PSA 10. Lily's Determination, PSA 9. Mega Charizard, PSA 9. Gengar, PSA 9. 8 pala. Hydrapple, PSA 9. Another one, PSA 9. The Deoxys, PSA 7. And I don't know why it is PSA 1. Maraming scratches. I see. Ang ganda. Connecting arts. And another Legendary Dogs, PSA 8. So that's the another box. So last box left, last box. So many slabs guys. Nakita niyo yung mga slabs ko sa likod, hindi pa nga tapos. Dami ko pang kumpletuhin dyan. Minebenta ko kasi slab script. So ito mas konti. Last box. Another PSA 10 Charizard. Metal Mew PSA 10. Ho-Oh PSA 10. Mew PSA 10. Mega Kangaskhan PSA 10. PSA 10. PSA 10. PSA 10. Shibuya Opening PSA 10. PSA 10. What? And this one, Japanese, and another PSA 10. So many PSA 10s dito guys, ha. So yeah, that's our batch 56. Tama ba? Oo, 56 na yan guys. So yun lang. If you're into grading your cards, you can contact me at Yel Santos. Sabagay, yung iba kasi hindi na nagpapagrade. Yung iba, rekta bili na ng slabs. So yun na lang pinapaikot nila. Pero yung iba, nagpupull pa rin. So you know that. Anyways, mag-pitch blocks na next month. I mean bukas. This month pala. So, na video to ng syempre alam niyo naman. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, so, yan yung mga slabs ko. Slabs. Alright. Let's go. Peace.